All right, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. We got a damn mess on the bench. The bench is a mess. And the bench is a mess. The floor is a mess. We had picked up 2 P-Tacs, 3 air conditioners. Got to finish cleaning the noodles off of them. So I think I'm gonna set up a couple of different time lapses and just blow through this stuff, because I'm sure you won't hang around to watch me process it all. So yeah, with that said, thanks for stopping by the channel. Tell all your friends about the Scrap-Meister. Check out our merch store and get ready for this time lapse. All right, scrappers, that was fun, huh? Yeah, that was a good time. We're gonna go on to the next section of this video, which is gonna be blowing through these motors, prepping them, getting them ready for copper extraction. But yeah, it was nice. We filled up the old copper buckets a little more and the wire buckets. So yeah, that's what scrapping is, baby. It's getting the good stuff. Shred and all that just pays for gas and a little lunch and an ice cream cone or something. So anyways, hope you'll stick with me. Gonna set up the time lapse. We're gonna do these motors, baby. All right, scrappers, that went pretty well. Had a couple of them that gave me a little grief, but now they're all ready to be sliced in half and copper extracted, so that's a good thing. Out of those, what do we have? 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 out of 17 was an aluminum windings, so that sucked. This motor here is a kind of a different motor. I never seen one like it. I thought that I would just do this one live for you, because we'll learn something together. There's no bolts through it or anything to take off. It's just got these 4 clips, and it looks like we'd be able to just maybe cut them 4 clips and they should fall right off. So yeah, those little clips, they come off real easy. Now, hopefully this top just pops right off. Kinda, somehow, yeah. All right. I think that's just shred, yeah. Just shred, put that in that shred bucket there. Now, I don't know if, now if we got to pound that out this way. There we go. Got that out of there. Now I'm thinking we're gonna wind up having to probably cut that thing. Let's try this screwdriver once though. Maybe we can get in through these holes and pry it out. But I don't think so. She didn't seem to even want to budge. So I guess we'll start by just cutting one side and see if it'll snap open and there. Come on, baby. There we go. A little bit of shred there. So, is she going to be copper? It looks copper. And it is copper. Let me just double check over here. Yes, it's copper. So that didn't come apart too bad. And I guess we'll put that on the stack. And then I think you should watch one of the really cool videos that's on screen right now.